Well, I think we've everything remains on the table, so we will look at all the options available to us. My priority, my determination is that we find a solution and we get this road built so that no more lives are lost. This is an executive flagship project, so I think that there is a will that this needs to be done, but also to deal with the wider implications of the issues that have arisen from the judgment.
The judgment itself last week said that the one thing that is certain about the A5 is that further delay will lead to further deaths. So we have implored the department to act decisively and to act fast, and we would welcome an appeal. We would like it to be done as quick as possible. The harsh reality of this road is that it kills somebody every 3 months. So that's the cold hard facts on it. So it needs to be a matter of urgency.
I think the most important thing here is that we get this road built, that no more lives are lost on this road. However, in terms of what the Minister actually said, I'm trying to work out what that was. There's a lack of definite action. She wasn't too certain, it would seem, in terms of what grounds she will be appealing on, and was unable to answer even the most basic questions from the press gathered in the Great Hall for this announcement. So I think today's announcement is basically to demonstrate some sort of activity. However, it's clear that there's a lot of work to be done by DFI in terms of this appeal.
The Minister shouldn't be let off the hook in relation to this, neither should Sinn Féin. This is the first time today that the First Minister actually made mention of the fact that the High Court ruling last week would have major impacts upon other infrastructure projects, and also talked about the potential need for amending climate change legislation or looking at new legislation. I welcome the fact that they have now come to the realisation that that is the case, but we need to see that happening. We need to see the root cause of the problem dealt with, which was decided upon last week in the High Court ruling, and that was in relation to climate change and the net zero targets. That is what has stalled this project, and that needs serious investigation and look at.